It gets so much power around. Whoa. Oh my god! Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm just going on a ride. I was supposed to record a ride yesterday, but this thing broke down. The engine flooded on it. I guess I've got to try and get a nice recording on this sunny day today. Yeah, I went to Box Hill Rieju yesterday. I wanted to go to the very top of the hill, but I couldn't due to obvious reasons. Just a quick one as well. I don't know, but for the next few weeks I might not be riding this. I might go back to my other bike, you know. What the hell? Listen, it's so nice, man. I'm loving this English weather at the moment. Nearly didn't see me there, did you? Because of that stupid wood you got in your car. Stewie is my name, yeah, Lois, I got a novel. Oh, but that's just the life of a family guy. See, it's today that all you see. Do you reckon I could quickly get off the bike and see if fuel is leaking? No fuel leak, we're good. Oh my godding, man. What's going on, man? Let's see if we can get to... Oh yeah, we'll get to 4th gear easy. I'll be at around 70 now. Jesus! This thing lives in the high revs, man. It gets so much power around. Whoa! Let me try that again. It gets so much power at around 7-8k revs. Hello, buddy. I am behind you, my G. I am behind you. Hello. Thank you very much, mate. Oh! Cold. Or 100. Woohoo! You better accelerate, buddy. I am on your case, bro. I swear, this bike has unlimited revs. Like, it'll go all the way up to 13k off of the limiter. Oh, this road looks awful. Oh my, loose gravel everywhere. Oh, this road. Oh no! Oh, that is peak as hell. Oh shit! Look at him, he's all over the road, the sketchy boy. My guy's on a mission in that thing. Oh, there's a cyclist, I can't even overtake, man. For God's sake. Look at him, he's all over the show. Oh my godding, there's airplane! Oh my godding! Ah! Oh, we both nearly rear-ended that guy then. Okay guys, I can't lie, that's it for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and yeah, hope you enjoyed. It was just a quick little ride out before I ride the other one and the weather starts to get bad again. So yeah, Please like, subscribe, you know, all that shebang really helps me out. Peace.